Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! Today, let's learn how to name popular Asian dishes in Chinese. 米饭，米饭，面条，面条，炒饭，炒饭，炒面，炒面，拉面，拉面，寿司，寿司，天妇罗，天妇罗，泡菜，泡菜，饺子，饺子，包子，包子，虾饺，虾饺，春卷，春卷，火锅，火锅，烧烤，烧烤，麻婆豆腐，麻婆豆腐，宫保鸡丁，宫保鸡丁，北京烤鸭，北京烤鸭，测验。A. 炒饭 B. 寿司 C. 面条 A. 泡菜 B. 烧烤 C. 火锅A. 米饭 B. 春卷 C. 包子 Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。